Hola amigos, Hannah from SpeakBetterSpanish here. Today we're going to be covering two expressions in Mexican Spanish that use the word pedo. What does pedo mean? Well, literally, it means fart. But these expressions are idiomatic and they actually have nothing to do with fart. Why? I don't know, but Mexicans really love to use the word pedo. There are so many uses of the word pedo, and I'm going to teach you two of them today. Now, keep in mind, these are not to be used in a professional setting. While they are not offensive, they're definitely not formal and professional expressions. These are typically used among friends. All right, the first one. Qué pedo? This is the question. Qué pedo? Okay, literally what fart? But actually, the meaning is, what's up? What's happening? Could even be like, what's the problem? Depends on the context. So you see your friends, hey, qué pedo? Hey, what's up? Do I say this? No, because I don't want to say what fart. Do Mexicans say this? Yes, all the time. All right, the next one, no hay pedo. All right, you might have seen my video about how to talk about there's no problem. And people always want to say no problemo, but actually problemo does not exist in Spanish. The Mexican way is no hay pedo. It means there is no problem. Literally, there's no fart, but actually means there's no problem. So, somebody does something that slightly inconveniences you, you're not upset at all, you just say, no hay pedo. No problem. Todo bien. Everything fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video with two expressions using pedo. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.